All right, y'all, let's get into this video. Y'all already know what we're doing. We are taking Outre's purple pack. This is from their premium collection. It is Yaki hair in 12 inches, the color 1B. We're going to add it to our Pixie bob that we got from It's a Wig a minute ago.
Guys, so what I'm going to attempt to do, since I could not find a 27-piece set, like short set, in like a copper or red.
All right, y'all, let me come and say something really quick. When I said I couldn't find a 27-piece set, I meant like at my local beauty supply store. I know I could have ordered it online, but I was like, no, I'm too anxious to wait. So that's what I meant by that. All right, back to the video.
Trying to get her the way I want her to be, where I want her to be. And see, the tease is going to give when it's done is like that. Okay? So hopefully it comes out good. I'm trying to do the placement underneath the tracks. So I think I'm going to start like right here behind the ear tab and lay these tracks in between the tracks that are already set to make this really, really quick for myself. Okay? All right, guys. So I actually decided to comment and do it on the mannequin instead. Hopefully this comes out okay. Hopefully. But yeah, so I just wanted to come and show you guys what I'm doing. So I'm basically just tracking this, like I said, in the spaces between what's already set. And I'm using my hot glue gun. Don't make fun of her. She's a little dusty, but she works. So yeah, so you're going to go in and you're just going to, you can either apply the glue to the track or you can apply it to the section that you're working in. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it right in where I'm about to lay that track and push that down in there. Make sure when you're doing this, guys, you'll have clips to keep it out the way. And I'm working from top to bottom just because, like I said, I wanted to see the placement where the ear tabs are, on where I wanted to start it. Traditionally, usually you're supposed to start from the bottom and work your way to the top. But for the purpose of this look, I'm starting from the top. So we're almost done with this first little section. And I don't cut the track until I've laid down everything I wanted to lay down in that area. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just had to finish it up because my camera was dying. I charged it up a little bit just so I can show you where it's at. I do have to go in and really work this a little bit more. Well, not really, but work this a little more. I did a rough little cut up. But I want to kind of fix it because it's a little choppy in some places. But overall, I am happy with the way it came out. I think it's super, super cute so far. I just hope when I put it on, that on my head, it looks just as cool as the mannequin. Matter of fact, let me go and try it on and I will come back.
All right, y'all. This is the final look. I'm geeked, gagged, and geeked because I really like the way it came out. And if you did too, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. If you really liked it, leave a comment. All right, guys. As always, the definition of beauty starts and ends with you guys. Later.